Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for green beans poriyal. Now, green beans poriyal is a South Indian dish of stir-fried green beans with spices and coconut that is to die for. In fact, every time I make it, I just want to eat the entire pan because it's so good, it's so tasty, and just really, really easy to eat. And if you're looking to amplify your vegetables, take them to the next level, this is a great preparation. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's make some green beans poriyal. So the star of the show are the green beans, and I have some beautiful green beans here. All I've done is rinse them and then topped and tailed them, and now they're ready to be sliced. And I'm going to slice them into some nice thin rounds and scoop them into a bowl, and then we're ready for the next step. Our green beans are beautifully sliced up, and now it's time to talk about the spices that are really going to bring this dish to life. So firstly, I have black mustard seed, which is also known as kadugu in Tamil. We have urad daal, which is known as unlundhu in Tamil. And when you add these spices to a little bit of oil and temper them, they take on a beautiful crunch, which adds texture to this dish. Next up, I have 2 dry red chilies, which I'm going to snap in half. And then we have beautiful curry leaves, which I'm going to strip off the stem, and they'll add a beautiful fragrance to the dish as well. Now it's time to get stir frying. So I have a wok here that's been heated on medium-high heat. You can just as well use a frying pan, and to that I'm going to add a touch of vegetable oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I'm first going to go in with my unlundhu, and we're going to toast that off until it's nice and warm in color. Next, in goes my kadugu, also known as my mustard seeds, and we're going to let them pop for a few seconds. Now, this is when we have to work quickly. I'm going to add in my chilies, my curry leaves, and you're going to start to see them crackle. And immediately after, I'm going to pour in my green beans. We're going to crank the heat to high and give them a nice toss in all that oil and the spices. Now I'm going to pour some water around the perimeter of the beans and season them with a touch of salt. Give them a nice toss to coat and then on with the lid. We're going to let them steam on high heat for about 5 minutes until they get nice and tender. With the lid off now, I'm going to continue sauteing until all the excess moisture has evaporated from the pan. Now turn the heat off and garnish with a handful of freshly grated coconut. Give that a nice toss, and just like that, beans poriyal is done. I wish you guys could smell this kitchen right now. This beans poriyal transports me right back to my childhood. My mom would make this for us all the time. Now let's give it a taste. I'm gonna get a little bit of the coconut, the beans in there as well. So good. So the very first thing that I get is the sweetness of the green beans. They've been steamed to perfection while still maintaining their vibrant green color, and paired with those crispy black mustard seeds and urad dal, it's just so fun, all those textures coming together. Then you get a little bit of a heat from the chili as well as the fragrance of the curry leaves, and the kicker in this one is the nutty coconut, which just ties this entire dish together and makes you feel like you've been transported to the south of India. And keep in mind, poriyal is not limited to just green beans. You can make it with so many different ingredients: cabbage, zucchini. The world's your oyster when it comes to poriyals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.